Hello friends and welcome to my channel Anirban's World of Digital Finance powered by S4HANA. I am Anirban and in this video I am going to show how to process down payment. So first I am going to log into SAP. This is the SAP login icon and I am going to click on this icon and punch in my user ID and password. Right, so first of all let's discuss the concept of down payment. So I'll go straight to my master sheet. So I will discuss with you the entries that we usually make in our books of accounts for making an advance payment. The first entry is once we make the advance payment to the vendor. So advance to vendor account debit, which is five, like I'll say 5 lakh to bank account 5 lakh. Then we make a purchase. I'll change the number to say 9 lakh. So we make the purchase of 9 lakh from the vendor, and then we make a final payment of 9 lakh to the vendor. We will adjust the payment of 5 lakh with the payment and make a final payment of 4 lakh. So this is how we make it in the books of accounts. First we make the advance, then we make the purchase, and then we finally may make the final payment by setting off the advance payment and making the payment of the balance amount. Now let's see how we make it in the SAP. So we go to SAP screen, we go to accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, then document entry, and then down payment. So the PT code to make these is F-48. So if we want to make this down payment entry, we have to go through F-48, or this is the menu path. So we double click here and we populate the document date. We will take 1 day prior. Company code is 234. Currency is INR. Reference document, we will say down payment 2, and then account we will select the vendor which we have set up, which is CDE Limited, and then we select the bank account. We'll take the special GL as A. We take the bank account, which is our HDFC bank account, and the amount we will select 5 lakh. We will make a payment of 5 lakh. All right. And then we hit enter. Yeah, so we have to put the value date. And the text amount is down payment 2. So we'll put pull the last amount 5 lakh here and put plus here, and then we post this down payment. Right, so if we go to FBL1 and screen, and then we select our vendor account, so ideally we should be seeing this 5 lakh in the open item. So let's see whether we can see it or not. No item is selected, but we have actually posted 5 lakh. The reason why we can't see that is because it is posted in a special GL. If you remember, we have posted it in A. So if we click on the special GL and the open item, we will be able to see now. See, we can see 5 lakh, and you see the special GL indicator as special GL indicator. This is A, right? Now the next step is we will make a purchase of 9 lakh. So what we should do is that we shall go to FD60 to make a purchase of 1 lakh, to book the purchase of 1 lakh. So again we will select the vendor as CDE Limited, and then we make a purchase of 9 lakh. We put a text purchase raw material 11. We'll select a purchase account, and then we select star, and plus and hit enter. Our invoice date should be, just to give it today's date. So you see that you get a prompt that an entry of advance of 5 lakh has already been made, right? So now we post the invoice of 9 lakh. All right. Now if we go back to the FBL1, and if we refresh, we will see that a 9 lakh entry has been made here. So 9 lakh purchase has been made, and a down payment of 5 lakh is made against this purchase. So the total balance is 4 lakh. Now what we should do is that we should come back and we should clear this. We should clear this advance payment. Like if you see that while we are making the payment of 9 lakh, we are actually clearing this 5 lakh against this vendor and making a balance payment of 4 lakh. So this entry we are now going to make in F dash 48. So this one we made it by F dash 47, and this one we made it by F dash 47, and this entry we are making by F dash 48, and this one we have made by FB60, and this one we will make the final balance payment we will make by F dash 53, which we have discussed before. So we have already made this entry, we have already made the purchase. Now we are going to make a advance payment of we will clear off this F dash 48, clear off this advance by F dash 48. Sorry, F dash 54. Sorry. Sorry, so the advance is booked in F dash 48. The purchase is booked by FB60. Now the advance would be set off by F dash 54, and final payment would be done by F dash 53. All right, so we go to F dash 54, and we take the posting data as document data as today's date, and then we will make a reference of don't need to make any reference here, just give me a moment. So vendor would be CDE Limited, and then what we should do is that we should process down payment. Yeah, sorry. So it is process down payment, which is down payment 2. We will process the down payment. What we have to do is that we have to select this. If you see that the 5 lakh we are setting off, we have to select this line, and we will post this. So now what we will see is that the special GL account, it will go. The special GL account, it will go. We are taking this off against the special GL account. So if we refresh this, Sorry. So what we should do is that we have to post this entry, and we have to make this. So it was not posted before, there was an error message, so that's why it was not showing in the FBL1N. So what I should do is that I have to enter a text here that down payment to cleared. So now I'll post this, and if I go here, I click on the list and the refresh. If you see that that the special GL indicator has gone, so we are actually setting off this 5 lakh, which was against the special GL indicator against this payment. So now I have a balance of 4 lakh. What I should do now next is that I should go to F-53 and I'll make the balance payment. So I will click /n F-53 and I'll make the balance payment. I'll make the payment from HDFC bank account. And the balance payment is, if I go, I see it's 4 lakh because I have already made a payment of 5 lakh. So now I'm going to make a payment of 4 lakh. The value date is today's date. Sorry. And then payment for MRM, I believe we said 11, and then 400k final payment. So this is a text that I use, that I'm making a balance payment of 4 lakh against for this purchase, and I'm making the payment to CDE Limited, my vendor. I'm going to process open items. If you see that it is now 0, the 4 lakh will be paid. So all I have to do is to post the down payment, the balance payment, right? Now if I go back and if I refresh, I will see that all these things will be cleared with the final payment. So I'll go and I'll refresh. See, the entire payment has been cleared now. So this is my 9 lakh and this is my 5 lakh as an advance payment, and this is the 4 lakh. So this is how you make process a down payment in SAP. I hope you like this video. If you like, please click on the like icon, and if you haven't yet subscribed this channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.